Good afternoon, everyone. Exciting news I bring to you this afternoon. We've got a fantastic opportunity coming up in 2 weeks' time, an intensive 5-month training program in IT project management slash product management and data analysis, kicking off on the 15th of this month. Here's the best part. You can still grab a 50% discount and even pay in installments. Why should you join us? Well, let me tell you. Number one, you get hands-on practical training. Number two, you work on a real-life project, gaining invaluable experience. Number three, mentorship and support will be provided every step of the way. Number four, will help you prepare for interviews, boosting your confidence. Number five, you will receive a CPD accredited certificate recognized in over 60 countries. And last but not the least, you have a work experience for the duration of your time with us. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today to secure your spot and kickstart your journey career. See you.